So the question is, if alpha and beta are roots of equation x square minus 2x plus 2 equals to 0, then the minimum value of n such that alpha divided by beta to the power n equals to 1, and these are the options 4, 3, 2 and 5. So here x equals to minus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, this is the given equation, and x square minus 2x plus 1, we can write it 2 as 1 plus 1. Yeah, we can easily write it, and this will be x square minus 2x plus 1, it will be x minus 1 to the power 2, x minus 1 to the power 2, and this 1 will go this side and it will be minus 1. Okay, so x minus 1 equals to plus minus I, and x equals to 1. Okay, x equals to 1 plus I. Okay, and or 1 minus I means x equals to 1 plus I or 1 minus I here, because it is plus minus I. Okay, and let alpha equals to 1 plus I and beta equals to 1 minus I. So alpha divided by beta equals to 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I, and 1 plus I का whole square divided by 2. Okay, and 1 plus I का square means 1 plus I square plus 2I divided by 2, and 1 minus I, this will be I square minus I square equals to minus 1. I square equals to always minus 1. So that's why 1 minus 1 plus 2I divided by 2. This will be cancelled like this, and 2 will be cancelled by 2. The I will be the answer. And I divided by alpha divided by beta to the power n equals to I to the power, because alpha upon beta equals to I to the power n equals to 1. Okay, so least value of n equals to 4.